In the master file of the Julio Foolio ambush, one figure remains a mystery: Alicia Andrews.
Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Keep walking. Now turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Is there anybody else inside?
To the public, she was just the beautiful girlfriend in the Chevy Cruze. To the state of Florida, she was the scout. While her 4 co-defendants face the death penalty today, May 11th, 2026, Alicia's story has taken a dramatic turn.
Yes, that those 2 people in this photo were 2 out of the 3 that he picked up.
And then 92D.
Yes, this is a picture of co-defendant Rashad Murphy, same thing.
And then 92C.
Yes, this one has defendant Alicia Andrews and co-defendant Rashad Murphy, and he acknowledged that as well.
And 70K.
Yeah, this was the screenshot from his Uber app that he sent me, confirming the details of that ride.
Alicia was captured on license plate readers and surveillance cams arriving at every location: Teasers, Truth 18, and finally the Holiday Inn, minutes before the shooters. In the McDonald's drive-thru, she is seen wearing a COVID mask at 2 a.m. She told police it was for smoke, but the jury saw it as a mask of deception. They had her digital map. Her phone was talking to the same cell towers as the victims for miles. During her trial, Alicia testified about the abuse she suffered from her boyfriend, Isaiah Chance. She claimed she was a terrified passenger, not a killer. But the prosecution had the master file on her phone. They showed a text from 2021 where she wrote, "Foolio needs to die." She called it gossip. The jury called it manslaughter. On October 31st, 2025, while she escaped the first-degree murder charge, she was officially convicted for her role as the lookout. Here is why her story is back in the news today. Alicia was supposed to be sentenced in December 2025, but her lawyers fought back, claiming Judge Michelle Cisco was biased. In a shocking move on January 29th, 2026, the appeals court agreed. Judge Cisco was removed from the case. Today, Alicia is waiting for her fate under a new judge, Kimberly Fernandez. While her boyfriend might face the needle, Alicia is fighting for a lighter sentence. Was she a victim of domestic violence or the eyes of a hit squad? The master file shows she was at every turn. As the gunmen begin their penalty phase this afternoon, Alicia Andrews remains the last unsolved piece of the puzzle. What do you think her sentence should be? Leave your analysis below. This is the master file.
To school where I knew somebody.
When you were at Rains High School, did you hear of a shooting that happened at Rains High School?
Yes.
All right. Was this shooting big news at the high school?
Yes.
Why?
I mean, everybody talked and it was at a football game, so police came, it was all over the media.
And was it made known to you who was involved in the shooting?
Yes.
All right. Who do you know was involved in the shooting?
I just would always hear the name Robert Howard, but I didn't really know him.
You didn't know him personally?
No, I would see him though, but I didn't know him.
Where would you see him at?
He would be at the football games or like the Christmas tournaments, and they would have like these track meets that everybody go to called Bob Hayes.
Okay. Did you leave Rains High School to go to another school?
Yes.
Why did you leave that school?
I mean, it just really wasn't for me, and my sister had already graduated by that time, so.
All right. Where did you end up going?
Andrew Jackson High School.
And where's that school?
I don't know what side of town it's supposed to be. North, I guess.
When you left Rains High School, did you have any friends still at Rains High School?
Yes.
Did you still communicate with those friends from Rains?
Yes.
Did you also have friends that went to the new school?
Yeah.
And do you maintain any friendships from either of those schools today?
Yes.
When did you meet Isaiah Chance?
It was like towards the end of 2021.
Towards the end of 2021?
Yeah, I think it was.
Well, tell me this. Were you in high school when you met him?
Yes.
And when did you graduate high school?
May 2021. I don't remember the date though. It was
Okay.
May.
All right. So, when did you start to date Isaiah Chance?
I would consider that like in the summertime.
Summer of after you graduated?
Yes.
All right. Did you know him before? Did you know him before you started to date him?
I knew of him.
All right. What did you know of him?
He had a sister that I was close with well, not close with, but like cool with at Range High School.
Okay. And when you started dating in May or after May of 2021, how long did that relationship last for?
It wasn't very long. We were on and off.
Did you ever live with Isaiah Chance?
No.
Where did you live?
I stayed with my parents.
All right. And did Isaiah Chance ever come over to your parents' home?
He never been inside, but he's picked me up.
All right. Did you, at any point in time, ever stay the night at Isaiah Chance's home?
Yes.
Who did he live with?
His mom and family members, like sisters.
All right. How long would you stay, just generally, how long, or typically, how long would you stay at Isaiah Chance's house?
Sometimes it would be a week or two or days. It depends, like, what I'm doing.
All right. Did you have a job?
It depends what year. I did have a job.
Well, what jobs did you have?
I worked at Amazon. I was a substitute teacher. I had a lot of jobs. Ulta Beauty, worked at Victoria's Secret. What else? I think that was all of them.
All right. When you were growing up at Raines or any of the Andrew Jackson High School, did you see any of the gang activity or the gang back and forth while you were in high school?
I saw it online.
All right. What types of things did you see online?
They would go on Instagram, like, and go live, and everybody would be sitting next to everybody, like, are y'all watching? Like, we're young, we don't have nothing to do, so we would be kind of tuned in, just watching.
All right. And when you say they are going live, who is they?
The victim, in this case, he would go live, and I guess the other people that didn't like him.
All right. And who are the other people that didn't like him at that time?
The individual that goes by Young and Ace.
Okay. So they would go back and forth on social media?
Yeah, along with other people.
Was this popular conversation in school?
Yes.
And would people send these lives and these different things to each other?
Yes.
Would people text about these things?
Yes.
And would people talk about these things?
Yes.
Relationship with him?
In the beginning, it was good, I would say. And then he changed over time. I mean, once we got comfortable with each other.